Hello all. In this video we're going to solve problem number 20, that is valid parenthesis. Let's see the description. Given a string S containing just the characters of all types of parentheses with open and closed are given, we have to determine if the input string is valid. An input string is valid if open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order, and every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. It's very simple. It's very easy to identify whether the given string is valid or not. In example 1, this is valid because it is closed correctly. So the output is true. Here again, this set is correctly paired, this set is correctly paired, and this set is also correctly paired. So all three types of parentheses, like parenthesis, box parenthesis, and curly braces, all are correctly closed. So the output is true. Whereas in this case, here we have normal parenthesis, whereas this is a box parenthesis. So this is not a valid string. So the output is false. Whereas this is actually true because we have this inner square brackets are closed as well as the outer parentheses are closed. So the output is true. Now we're going to implement this in Java. So for this, what we're going to use is we're going to use the data structure stack. So let us declare the stack here, and the data type is going to be character. So character, let us name it as stack itself. So stack is equal to new tag. I'm going to create a for loop which iterates through each and every character present in a given string. So that is I is equal to 0 to I less than s dot length, and then I'm going to increment I. So once this is done, I'm going to check a condition. There is nothing but if s dot char at I is equal to either this open parenthesis or s dot char s dot char at I is equal to open curly braces, or s dot char at I is equal to this box parenthesis. Then I'm simply going to push it into the stack. I'm simply going to then I'm simply going to push it inside the stack. So stack dot push off. What am I going to push? S dot char at of I. That's all. Else, else what to do? If the characters are not these three types of open parentheses or open braces, then what should we do? Else, let me have a condition. If the stack is not empty, if stack dot is empty, if not of stack dot is empty, this is a condition. So let us have it separately. And and I'm going to check if the stack dot peak, which is nothing but the top element present in the stack, if it is equal to any of the open braces, and at the same time the character that is present in the string, that is caret of I, equal to the corresponding closing brace, then it means it is a perfect match. This can be either this, or let us copy this and paste for the remaining two also, or okay. So here let us put it as curly braces, open curly, close curly, box or square braces. Okay. Okay. If in case, which means there exists a match. So in such case, I'm going to pop it. So it is like stack dot pop. Else, which means there is a mismatch. So here we're simply going to return false. And at the end, I'm going to return whether the stack dot is empty. If it is true, it is going to return true, else it is going to return false. But at the end, if the stack is empty, only then it is true. Only then all the parentheses present in the string is said to be matched. So that is what this return will say. Now let us compile this. Yeah, both the test case. Yeah, we could see that it is accepted. Now let us submit this. See that our solution has been submitted successfully and it is accepted also. So this is the implementation of checking whether a given string is valid or not, whether it has valid parentheses or not. So this is how we implement this in Java. Thank you.